Welcome to craft class. In today's class, we will learn how to make a beautiful card. For this, you need the following things. One yellow colored sheet, A4 size, a small white paper, ice cream sticks, glue, marker, scissors, and cotton. Okay, now let's start to make a beautiful card. First of all, we take a yellow sheet and fold it into half like this. Okay. Then we will use glue on this stick like this and we'll paste it on the yellow sheet. Tell me, you all love to eat popcorns? Yes? Yes. So we'll make a popcorn cone with the help of these ice cream sticks. Ma'am has chosen pink color. You can choose any color of your choice. You can take it red, yellow or green as you like. Okay, beta? Use glue and then just paste it. Use glue and then just paste it here. Very good. I pasted one in the middle and three this side and three this side to make a cone. Now we'll take cotton and we'll make a ball. Ball for what? To make a popcorn. Popcorns are white in color, so we'll use cotton. Ma'am has made ball. Okay, so ma'am will use again glue here to keep these cotton balls. Okay, like this. Ma'am will keep cotton balls to give it the look of a popcorn. Okay, beta. We'll take 5 popcorns in a row. Now again, ma'am will use glue to paste more popcorns like this. 1, 2, 3. It's very easy to make, beta. Just roll the cotton and with the help of glue you can paste it. Use some more glue to paste more. Do you know Father's Day is coming very near? Father's Day is on 21st June. So in this way you can make a beautiful card for your father. He'll be very happy. Right? See, ma'am has pasted balls like this. Okay. Only with the help of glue. Now our cone is looking good, but we'll paste eyes so that he'll look much better. I cut circles with white sheet and with blue marker I make the eyes. Then paste it on cone like this. Paste it like this. Now our cone is almost complete. Let's give her a smile. It is smile. See, with the black sheet I make a smiley. We'll paste it here. Isn't it look great? Yes or no? One more thing. egg. You know how to draw oval shape? Yes, a small oval shape to make it stick. 2. Paste them on its mouth. Okay. As I told you that Father's Day is coming near, so we can write here with the red marker, you are the best Pop. Your father will be really happy when you show him this card. Inside the card you can write, I love you, Dad. Happy Father's Day. From your name you can write here. You like the card? Yes. I'll wait for your beautiful cards. After making this card, you must show it to me. Okay? That's all for today, children. Have a good day. Bye.